Honesty is the best policy. In a peaceful village nestled between green hills, lived a boy named Hamza. He was around 12 years old, smart, hardworking, and well-mannered. His parents were poor, but they taught him strong values, especially honesty. Hamza worked after school at a small fruit stall owned by an old man named Bashir. Every day, he helped sort the fruits, clean the stall, and serve customers. Bashir trusted Hamza and treated him like a grandson. One evening, as Hamza was packing up the stall, he found a wallet lying near the crates. He picked it up and opened it carefully. Inside was a thick bundle of cash and some ID cards. The name on the card was Mr. Imran Malik. Hamza knew he was a wealthy businessman who had visited the stall earlier that day. For a moment, Hamza looked at the money and thought of all the things his family needed: medicine for his mother, school books, and better shoes. No one had seen him find the wallet. He could have easily kept it. But then, he remembered his father's words: honesty is the best policy, even when no one is watching. Without hesitation, Hamza took the wallet to Bashir and explained what happened. Bashir smiled proudly and said, "You've done the right thing, my boy. Let's return this to Mr. Imran." The next morning, they went to Mr. Imran's house. The businessman was shocked and overjoyed to see his lost wallet. "This wallet had money for my daughter's hospital treatment," he said with tears in his eyes. "I had lost all hope." He turned to Hamza and asked, "Why did you return it? You could have kept it, and no one would have known." Hamza looked him in the eye and said, "Because it wasn't mine, sir. And my parents taught me that taking what doesn't belong to me is wrong." Impressed by the boy's honesty, Mr. Imran not only rewarded him with a generous gift but also offered to pay for Hamza's school fees and help his family financially. Hamza's honesty had changed his life and proved that doing the right thing always brings the best rewards. Moral of the story: honesty is always rewarded in the end. Even when it's hard, telling the truth builds trust, respect, and character.